So check us out here at mgmclassiccars.com, where we have over 200 beautiful cars for sale, financing available. We got them all stacked and ready, guys, all detailed. They will be going through service department as well to make sure that everything is up front. So check that out on all of our videos. Don't forget to check out our website at mgmclassiccars.com. We do have awesome, great financing available. That rates start at 6.99% as of today, November 18th, 2025. And let's get ready for the next photo shoot, guys, and the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have something a little bit different out of our wheelhouse that we normally don't get. But this car is super nice with a brand new paint job. And it's such a nice car, and that's why I have this one here in our wheelhouse at this point. Just a couple known facts about the 65 Ford Ranchero. This definitely was a compact car-based pickup from the second generation of the modern line, okay? Sharing most of its mechanical underpinnings and styling with the Ford Falcon. So that's why you're gonna see a couple resemblance from the Falcon, like the steering wheel, the glove box, so forth and so on. It's featured a lot more square, obviously, more aggressive styling compared to the earlier models, and was the final year the Ranchero was based on the Falcon platform before it was moving forward to a larger Fairlane chassis in 1966, guys. The rarity of this car, approximately 19,700 units were made in 65, making it a relatively rare classic today. Certain features like factory installed bucket seats, center console, part of the Deluxe trim, even were more rare, okay? As you can see, this has it. Found in only 990 of these, okay? So just keep that in mind. Collectability, you know, the 65 Ranchero remains a cherished classic and is reasonably collectible, often a favorite among enthusiasts for its unique blend of car agility and truck practicality. So that comes down like a pickup truck in the back. It's beautifully red painted. I took a picture of it, and you guys can definitely check that out. Many parts are interchangeable with the Mustang and Falcon, making the restoration and modifications relatively pretty easy. Beautiful interior. I'm going to share that with you guys. The engine is a 302. It's upgraded from a 289, upgraded to a 302. 4-speed manual transmission, which is pretty cool. 4-barrel carb. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, brand new paint, newer paint on the car, and it looks really, really nice. You got the tonneau cover in the back. I showed you guys that. You got the Ford Performance Dress-Up Kit in the engine compartment. Power steering, sounds great. Dual exhaust. As you can see, guys, just a beautiful car. Nice grille, nice chrome. Dual exhaust with dual pipes with cherry bombs underneath. Clean underside as well, guys. We will not be going on a test drive. It is November 25th, 2025. And it's slushy and rainy outside, and it kind of kills the best time of my day is going for the test drive. I did drive this car prior. It does drive good. It runs, drives, and stops very good, guys. Car's priced at $29,995. You will need about $3,000 down. You can roll in your sales tax. You can roll in your delivery on this car, or any other options that you would want for it. Maybe if you wanted air conditioning, if you wanted LED lights in the front, the back, you can add all those things to the Ranchero if you want. You can roll that in right to your loan amount. Okay, definitely something that you will need good credit. Okay, Credit score 630 to about a 770. 10% down, about like I said earlier, $3,000. Good credit. Rates start at about 8%. You can find the application at mgmclassiccars.com. If your score is over 775, I can get you a 699. The rates do start at 699 at 775 credit score with a no money down option. You'll have to text me and I'll give you my website's, my bank's website for that particular loan option. Okay, no prepayment penalties. Let's fire this bad boy up.